First, let me introduce you about our company philosophy. DSCC company is a company who is built for empower clients' value. What is the value we are able to provide for the clients, which is related with 4 major aspects. First of all, we provide one-stop services for the clients' real estate constructions, buildings, apartments, villas, developers, and the projects. We provide them one-stop service for the building materials and the fit-out work. Secondly, we have a more speedy workmanship to hand over the projects in more efficient way because we have excellent project management team and we provide the clients from factory to directly to the project services is more efficient. Thirdly, is that we can provide the quality only targets for the middle to high-end leverage products. Fourthly, we're helping the clients saving a lot from the cost. We're helping clients to select the most suitable, accurate products and directly from the factory to the project site. So it's a win-win situation. We believe that the DSCC company is same like a tree in the forest. Our soil we count depends on our philosophy, which we are able to empower value for our clients. This is our abundant soil. We need to achieve more successful case, so we will have abundant projects in the end, and this rich soil will empower the DSCC company as well. Our company slogan, as you can see, seems like a sunshine. And we like to target for very bright business, good growth with the fortune, and also towards to the right bright direction. Our steps is taken one by one. So we are expecting for continuously growth of our company. So the slogan, what you see, the logo is like a stairs as well. And also we believe the teamwork. Only while we are united together, we are more powerful. And also we make a logo seem like a book, which is around the logo, which we wanted to grow with knowledge, with experience, and grow step by step. I hope you understand more about our company, and I sincerely wish to have a good cooperation with your good company. Welcome to visit us.